In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new subscription in your company using the Hubspot platform. This process will guide you through each step, ensuring you have everything you need to get started with managing your company's subscriptions efficiently. First, let's navigate to the user guide on Hubspot. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot platform by entering the URL or simply clicking the link provided in the video description below. Once you're there, you'll find a range of options and features at your disposal. But for our purpose today, our focus will be on creating a new subscription. Now that you're on the Hubspot homepage, the next step is to locate and click on CRM. CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management, is a crucial component of HubSpot that allows you to manage your interactions with clients and prospects effectively. Clicking on CRM will lead you to a dashboard where you can manage and organize information about the companies you're working with. Once you're in the CRM section, direct your attention to the Companies tab. Clicking on Companies allows you to view and manage lists of all the businesses and organizations you've connected with through HubSpot. It's important to be familiar with your company list so you can manage your interactions more smoothly. Now, within the Companies tab, look for the Hubspot option. This button will help you access more detailed information and is crucial for navigating to the next step in our subscription creation process. By selecting HubSpot, you ensure you're staying on track to set up your new subscription. The following step is to look for the Add button. The Add button is your go-to when you're ready to introduce new elements or items within the HubSpot system. Once you click it, you'll unlock new entry fields and features that are designed to seamlessly integrate with your existing company data. Finally, you'll select Create New Subscription. This is where the magic happens. By choosing this option, you'll initiate the process of setting up a subscription unique to your company's needs. Follow the on-screen prompts, input the required information, and ensure that all details such as subscription type, billing, and specific features are accurately entered. And there you have it. Creating a new subscription in HubSpot is straightforward once you know where to navigate. Remember to check your work and review all information to avoid any missteps. If you need to update or make changes, you can always return to any of these steps. We hope this guide has been helpful and encourages you to take full advantage of HubSpot's powerful capabilities for managing subscriptions. Thank you for watching, and good luck mastering your subscription management.